I've been living in Englewood since 1965. And when we first got here, it was a beautiful place. They had everything up on 63rd. Then over the years, things changed.
How are we going to keep this neighborhood good? We don't want undesirables.
When I was little and my families moved in 2 weeks, all of the white people were gone.
A land sale contract was an alternative to a traditional mortgage. You miss one payment, you lose everything. We had dollar amounts and we were able to quantify that approximately $4 billion was extracted from the Black community.
When you're in a neighborhood that has been denied the opportunity to have high home ownership, that's how you end up with a neighborhood like Greater Englewood.
Ain't no gang banging here.
Right, they know.
You ain't got to call no police. Call me, I'm the police. If you see me coming, then call police.
Right.
I said it's got to be something that can be done.
Need new doors. The doors is all tore up under the bottom. We need new radiators. It's so much work to be done.
How do we figure out how to put that money back in a meaningful way that undoes the harm that was done many generations ago?
You know, they got guys on this block right here that we wasn't even talking. It's just brought the whole community together.
If we can do it, you can do it.